Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our final presentation assembly of the year. We are here for Nursery's presentation assembly. It's Friday the 16th of July and we have made it to the last day of term. Well done everyone. And today we've got a super celebration today of all these children who've earned certificates over this term. But not only that, we've also got a special award, Child of the Year, where the teachers choose a Child of the Year and they get a special little plaque to take home as Child of the Year. So really exciting. That's coming on towards the end of the assembly. We're going to start though this morning. Let's see some amazing children who've earned some certificate this morning. Come on then. In nursery we have, look at these English stars. Oh, look at these four, aren't they amazing? So we've got Ruben, we've got Lily Rose, we've got Sunila, and we've got Sebastian. Look at the writing there and the work that these guys are doing. Worked so hard this term and earned themselves an English certificate that they're going to take home today. So huge congratulations. Give them a big round of applause in class. So really well done you for working so hard on your English. Ready for when you go into reception. Well done. Moving on. Oh, look at these mathematicians. You can see that. Look at that. Beautiful smiles as well. Really super smiles. So we've got Archie, we've got Jensen, we've got Bella, and we've got Nafi. Look at that. And these guys I know have been working really hard on their counting and all their numbers up to 10, up to 20. And they absolutely are ready for reception. And I know that, so really well done. And keep practicing over the summer. You mathematician superstars, well done. Moving on. Look at these reading stars as well. All these guys have been really working hard on their phonics and learning all of their sounds. They are amazing, but sharing books as well and completing reading records over and over again. They are amazing. So we've got Arafat, we've got Amelia, we've got Vienna, and we've got Nella. These guys, look again, those amazing smiles. Thank you guys, because you're making Mr. Allen smile this morning. But keep that up over the summer. See if you can do the summer reading challenge as well that Mr. Allen spoke about in assembly. So have a go, get to your library, get some books out. You only got to read 6 this summer holidays and see if you can earn yourselves a gold medal and a certificate as well. So ready for when you guys come back in reception as well. Well done. Final set of certificates. Look at these. Physical development. All of these guys really being physical, being active, outside, monkey bars, you name it, they're on it all the time. So these guys are super physical. So we've got Kobe, we've got Rafaela, we've got Willow, and we've got Max. Look at these guys. Again, amazing smiles on all of you, but I know for well that you guys are outside in the play area and playing lots and lots. Well done on earning your certificates. I know everyone's going to give you a massive cheer now as well. Enjoy taking those certificates home with you. So really well done, all of our certificate winners. Move on, here we go. Look, this is it. Look, Nursery Child of the Year 2020-2021. You can see them all, look, they're all there at Sports Day. What an amazing day that was, and they all tried really hard, really well done. This goes to the child who has been brilliant all year long. And this is chosen by all the teachers in nursery for this child who has just been amazing. And what we've got now is a little video to watch, talk about that child and celebrate that child, and they'll take this home after. So watch this little video coming up now.
As always, choosing Child of the Year is a very difficult task. We thought about what makes a great child. This child is a pleasure to teach. They always have a smile on their face. They're keen to help others out if they have a problem and enjoy carrying out small jobs and tasks. This child is caring, thoughtful, and a great friend. They share fairly, take turns, and know right from wrong. This child always tries their best. They join in at carpet times and sing along to songs beautifully. This child works well with other children. They share their toys and encourage them to play and join in games. They may not always find everything easy, but don't give up and keep on trying when things get hard. This child always makes the right choices and comes to school with a positive attitude. Everyone at nursery thinks this child is fantastic. Let's find out what people have to say.
He's good on the monkey bars.
He's good on the monkey bars, yeah?
This child has settled into nursery really well. They are very friendly, plays with everyone, and really good at tidying up.
Kitty plays on the monkey bars.
He's good on the monkey bars. Everyone's saying that.
Our Child of the Year is very kind, very helpful and very polite and a joy to teach.
Because he's my best friend. Because he plays with me.
This child has grown so much in confidence since coming to nursery. He always comes in with a big smile on his face. He's kind to others and he's really polite. Always remembers to say please and thank you.
When this child first started nursery, they were really reluctant to come in. Now they come in really happily every single day with a big smile on their face. We all find it really hard to choose a child of the year, but this child stood out as they're so helpful. They're always helping their friends and helping the teachers. They are fantastic and they've absolutely blossomed at nursery. Our child of the year is Archie Matthews. Well done, Archie.
Archie, yes! Well done, Archie. I am so proud of you, buddy. Child of the Year for nursery. Well done. It's well deserved. Really well. I know Mum and Dad will be so proud, and they'll probably be shedding a little tear as well. Good, amazing video there. So really well done, Archie. You absolutely superstar. Enjoyed taking this home today. Everyone I know will be cheering you wildly. So really well done to you, and congratulations, you superstar. Well done. Finally, moving on. Look, here we go. Well done, everyone. Just leaves me to say, really enjoy the summer holidays. Look, they're coming up. Have a fantastic summer holiday. Keep working as much as you can. So keep doing your numbers, keep doing your sounds, keep reading as much as you can as well. You can see we're back to school on Monday, the 6th of September. The gates will be open at 8:30. It'll be just lovely to see all those smiling faces after that long summer off. So really well done. And until then, everyone, have a fantastic and safe summer holiday. Bye-bye now.